Hi, Isabella Schmitt here. Today we're going to answer an important question: how to tell if your product is defined as a medical device. Medical devices have specific definitions in regulatory markets, and you'll want to make sure you meet that definition before going any further. The first step is knowing its intended use or intended purpose. Once that is established, you can refer to the FDA or EMA guidelines regarding medical devices to see if your product meets the definition. In the US, a medical device should be recognized in the National Formulary or the United States Pharmacopoeia, be intended for use in the diagnosis, treatment, or prevention of diseases or conditions, or affect the structure or function of a person or animal's body without the use of chemical action or metabolization. The European Union generally defines medical devices similar to the US in that medical devices are used in the diagnosis, prevention, monitoring, prediction, prognosis, treatment, or alleviation of a disease, injury, or disability, used in the investigation, replacement, or modification of the anatomy or of a physiological or pathological process or state, provide information by means of in vitro examination of specimens, and do not achieve its primary action by pharmacological, immunological, or metabolic means in or on the human body. Basically, medical devices are products used to treat or prevent the worsening of a disease or condition in a way that affects the anatomy or functioning of animals or man. Medical devices don't have primary action through chemical or metabolic means, which means they are not drugs, but they can be used in combination with drugs to form the ever-loved combination products. Depending on the nature of your device, these guidelines might make it hard to identify its classification. If you're having trouble figuring out if your product qualifies as a medical device, then your best bet is to ally yourself with an accomplished consulting firm or CRO. At Proxima, we apply expertise and knowledge to help clients identify their product classification early on and ensure that it's the right path to market. Take that first step with us by visiting proximacro.com.